Hey there, dog lovers. Today we are diving into a fascinating comparison between two amazing dog breeds, the powerful Cane Corso and the sleek Doberman. Whether you're considering adding one to your family or just curious about these impressive dogs, stick around. We're about to explore their histories, temperaments, training, needs, and what makes each of them special. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at where these breeds come from. The Cane Corso hails from Italy and has a history that goes back to ancient Roman times. Originally, they were used as war dogs and later became versatile working dogs, used for guarding property and livestock. The Doberman, on the other hand, was developed in Germany in the late 19th century by a man named Karl Friedrich Louis Doberman. He wanted a loyal and protective companion for his work as a tax collector and dog catcher. Both of the breeds have fascinating origins that have shaped their characteristics today. Now let's talk about their physical appearance and build. The Cane Corso is a large, muscular dog often weighing between 90 to 120 pounds. They have a commanding presence with a broad chest and powerful legs. Dobermans are slightly lighter, weighing between 60 to 100 pounds. They are incredibly athletic with a sleek and elegant appearance that's unmistakable, especially with their distinctive cropped ears and docked tails. Temperament is crucial when choosing a dog. Cane Corsos are known for their loyalty and protective nature. They are calm and confident, making excellent guard dogs. Dobermans are also loyal but are more energetic and intelligent. They are often described as fearless and highly trainable, excelling in obedience and agility. Both breeds can be great with families, but there are some differences to consider. Cane Corsos tend to be more reserved and may be wary of strangers. Early socialization is key to ensuring that they are well rounded. Dobermans are known for their affectionate nature towards their families, but can also be very protective. They are generally more outgoing and social, when might be a better fit if you have a busy household. When it comes to training, both breeds need a firm and consistent hand. Cane Corsos need strong leadership to prevent dominant behavior, while Dobermans thrive on mental stimulation and structured training sessions. Positive reinforcement works wonder with both breeds and helps build a strong bond with your dog. So which breed is right for you? If you're looking for a calm, protective guardian with a strong bond to its family, the Cane Corso might be your match. If you prefer an energetic, intelligent companion that excels in training and loves to be the part of the action, the Doberman could be the perfect fit. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your lifestyle and what you are looking for in a dog. Both the Cane Corso and Doberman are incredible breeds with their own unique qualities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more dog breed comparisons and tips. See you in the next time.